Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. We're going to do a review today of the Gary V Custom Airport Gary figure here. As we can see, it's stylized after the classic Star Wars 1977 original set, as we got the Toys R Us stickers on there. As we can see here, all the graphics and the figure custom painted to look just like Gary V in his airport style here. As we can see here, it's got the classic bubble, and on the back, as we can see here, it's got the little peg hole on the back. We also have a little bit of a bio and all the social media stuff, of course, YouTube branding for Thrift Shop Hustler and all this kind of stuff right here, which is really cool. Vendoo Media. There's a lot of work that actually goes into these. As you can see here, we got the printed Toys R Us stickers and everything. Originally in 2007, we sent this figure off to Gary V, and you can see we're going to post a video right here of when he received it.
You'll regret it. That's incredible.
So that figure actually was in his office for a couple years, and quite recently is the only time I've seen it kind of disappeared in his office. So I'm not sure if he took it home or it just got buried in all the other art, because after, you know, the last couple of years, there's been so many people that have sent him in art and things like that. So just let everyone know, this is on eBay. There's going to be a small run of these. The link is going to be below. They're $41.99 each. They are all handmade, and it's just a lot of work that goes into this. So definitely check out the link below. Click the like button, leave a comment. We'll see you next time.
What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a bird box skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's. Your granddad, we're donating that rap. Now I'm up in her.